Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on my YouTube channel, and today's tutorial is again a journal page all about beginners. So this is my second journal which I'm doing for this year, which is all about beginners, and I'll be doing one right page and one left page for you. Both of them will be drastically different but very beginner friendly nevertheless. So for the first page, the inspiration was that particular craft angle sticker rules and the image as I shown. Now, to start off with, and just to put some color on the top of my page, I'm using Craft Angles liquid watercolors Oh Fudge, and I'm kind of smushing it on top of the page using a plastic packaging, to create a funky pattern. And this is how it looks once it is dry. Once it is dry, what I do is then I will go and stick this sticker roll by Craft Angles, which will give me perfect vintagey background. So for this particular page, my idea was to create a pretty vintage layout. And on the left side, I'll be creating a very colorful layout. Both of them will be very drastically different, but that's the whole idea of this journal. So here you can see that I'm using Craftangle sticker roll. This particular design is called Old World. As with all my videos, I will link down all the products that I have used, be it diary, liquid watercolors, stickers, etc. So please don't worry, enjoy the video. And in case if you are interested in the supplies, you can always look at the description of all my tutorials and you will find the product links below. Now here just to ground my girl, what I do is I have using some black cardstock and some old lace which I had in my stash. And on top of that, I'll be mounting my girl. Here I'm looking that do I need to add a little bit more black here and there? But later on, I decided not to go ahead with it. And I decided that this layout looked very good as is and very, so basically this is a very simple layout and it does not have a lot of layers as you can see as opposed to my mixed media journal. But that's the whole idea that you can also create simple layers for your journaling. You don't always have to add a lot of layers. Now, just to add a little bit more vintage on top of my stickers, I have colored a part of the sticker with the same liquid watercolors. Now, moving on to the sentiment for this particular page, I'm using these motivational stickers, motivational sentiments one. So these are transparent sticker sheets by Craft Angles. Again, will be linked below for you all. And I'm kind of selecting the one that made sense for my layout, which is this particular one, which says, Dear past, thank you for the lessons, and dear future, I am ready. And that is what I decided to go to use for this particular page. So all I do is I kind of cut it depending on how I want to put it on my page. And then I will simply remove the backing and I will stick that on top of my page. And I will call it done. A very lovely exercise to do, very simple, does not take a lot of time, but at the end of the day, you are still doing something creative and honestly very therapeutic. Now moving on to the left side of my page, which I promised was going to be very colorful. I start off with these sticker rolls. So these are rectangle sticker rolls again, but the design, this particular design is called Pretty Plaid. And I have kind of selected three colors which are similar yet different. So I have gone with a shade of yellow, green, and red. And I have kind of created this banners manually to create this banner pattern out of the sticker rolls, and then I will stick them to create this kind of pattern on my page. Now these banner are very simple. All you have to do is kind of cut it in the middle and then from both the sides cut it to the middle where you have created that cut, and it will create a simple banner shape for you all. I'm sorry I did not film this part. Probably in one of my later video when I do a banner, I will again, link on how to do this banner. But it's very simple. If you just Google it, you will find, tutorials on how to create these banners easily with a scissor. Now, just to add some more fun, I decided to do some doodling. And this is again using very basic supplies, a simple gel pen and some stencils. I highly suggest that you don't skip this part because with doodling, you can add your own patterns to the layout. Now here I'm trying out different focal points for my page. I had a couple of them lying around. So I was thinking either brown or black. Because my page is so colorful, I wanted to keep my focal point dark and moody so that, it could stand out from that busy background that we have. So here I went on with this particular sticker. So this is by Craft Angles. These are journaling stickers. Each of them are 4 by 6 centimeter and they come in a pack of 25 stickers. So this is the one which is traveler and it has these gray tone and black image, which I felt was perfect for this page. Now just to end this page, I used the same sticker sheet and I'm using this word unstoppable and I added it to my layout. And that completed my both the pages. I leave you with photos of both the layouts that I created today. I hope you are enjoying this particular tutorials of art journal as well as regular journaling as well as card making and wedding invitations on my YouTube channel. I'll be back soon with another video for you all. Till then, guys, take care. Bye bye.